Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night.
Ayan guys, so nandito na kami sa baba. Ayan, nag-aantay na kami ng Grab. At ayun, kami ang Taumak na kami pupunta. And ayun, mag-grab kami. Ang mura ng Grab dito guys. So 100 lang, 75. Kaya afford. So ayun, punta na tayo. Ay, may kailangan sila ng bike. So pwede kang sa bike, pwede kang mag-arkila ng bike. Ayan ba yun? Mag-ayos lang ako kasi dami kong dala. Siyempre kailangan natin ng number 1 stroller para sa anak ko kasi yung stroller siya so, tsaka may bag kami pang baby.
Minh Doc was created to offer a peaceful dining experience in the middle of the city. It focuses on serving fresh Vietnamese food in a calm, garden-like setting where people can relax and enjoy nature while eating. It typically opens at around 7 a.m. and closes around 11 p.m. daily, so you can visit for breakfast, coffee, lunch, dinner, or evening drinks during those hours.
So, ayun na nga, nagsasampa sila doon. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung may daan dito. So, nandito na tayo guys. Titingnan natin kung ano yung masarap dito. Siyempre, mag-research muna tayo. Yung masarap. Ito, may daanan naman dito. Ayan. Ito yung sa pandaanan, sa gilid. Ayan. Yung stairs naman. Ayan. Ganun, ang ganda ng coffee shop nila. Ayun, pwede ka dito sumakay. Ayan. And then, ilalim din ata is CR. And this is parking area. So, ayan.
Wow.
Ayan, balik muna tayo guys. So, teka lang, ang dami kong dala. Titignan ko muna to. Then, pabalik. So, ayun na guys. Ayan, naka-order na kami. Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Actually, sa sobrang ganda kasi nito, nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog yun. Nakita ko ba yan? Yan, ang ganda diba? Sarap kumain kahit araw-araw. Mapapakain ka dito sa ganda ng view. Ayan, so ito yung kinakain ko today. Rice lang na may seafood something. And then ito. Ano tawag na to? Latte ito, di ba? Best seller daw nila yan. And then ito na parang halo-halo. Tapos ito lab, ano to?
Parang fruit juice, pero
Fruit.
umbrella.
Umbrella.
Alam ko anong...
Ayan, tapos nag-chicken siya. Tapos bitin pa siya,
May-
libre siya.
dami.
Tapos may complimentary na tito guys. So ayan, complimentary yan na tea.
Thank you.
Dito kami nag-spot dito kami pumunta. Pumanig muna kami doon sa second floor. And then dito kami nag-spot. Hanapin niyo to guys, yung spot na to. Sobrang ganda. Ayan o. Nakakawala ng stress. Dito hanggang hotel, medyo malayo. Yung hotel namin is sa Kiko Hotel, nasa 100 plus. District 1 to District 11, 100 plus.
90.
90 pesos?
190 pesos.
190 pesos. So, yun. 190 pesos, guys. At nandito ka na. So, hindi ka naman magsisisi. Mas masarap dito kung magla-lunch ka, or kakain ka, or magdi-dinner ka. Ayun. Si Mrs. ano na to, nag-recommend. Kaya, ayan. Ayun na, kinalabasan. Wow. Ayun, kakain muna kami. At okay naman yung food. Wala namang, masarap naman lahat. So, pati yung drinks, masarap. Ayan, so, tara. Kakain muna ako. Bye-bye. So, ayan guys. Tapos na kami dito kumain. Mag-lunch. Actually, kakain na naman kami ulit. Ayan, so, tagal din namin dito. Halos 2 hours din kami. Ngayon, it is, ang oras ay delay pala to. So, 4:30. Ayan, so ngayon pupunta naman kami sa museum sa War Remnants. Yung mga history dito guys. So dito tayo pupunta. At goodbye na dito sa lugar na to. Ayan, so ano to guys, puntahan nyo to, mandatory. Maano kayo dito, sabihin na natin na marirelax kayo. At ang ganda. Ayan, so tara, let's go, bye bye. Ayun guys, so nandito na tayo sa War Remnants. Ayan, yung kasaysayan ng war nila. So pati ng US. So ayan, makikita nyo, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung makikita nyo sa labas. Ayan o, yung mga ano nila, ticket nila. And so, bibili ka ng ticket. How much yung ticket? 40,000.
The airplanes displayed at the War Remnants Museum are real aircraft used during the Vietnam War. Many were American-made and used in combat missions. After 1975, they were captured or left behind in southern Vietnam. Today, they are preserved and shown to the public to remember the war, educate visitors, and show the impact of military technology on the country's history.
Nila guys, nakakalungkot daw dito. Kasi makikita mo yung pinakakasaysayan ng labanan nila. May mga tinatorture, mga ginaganon. So, ayun. Ayan guys, so ito ang loob ng War Remnants building. Ayan, so hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-umpisa kasi dito kami pumasok. And then, tara, pasok tayo dito sa institution sa loob. Ayan, Food and War in Southern Vietnam.
During the war in Vietnam, food in the south was limited. Farms were damaged, villages were moved, and supplies were hard to reach. People survived on rice, sweet potatoes, cassava, vegetables from small gardens, and fish from rivers. Even with little food, families shared meals to stay hopeful. Southern cooking today reflects their strength, creativity, and resilience.
Kayo, kung may time kayo guys, pwede kayo magbasa o mag-memories dito. Kasi mas nakakalungkot pa daw sa taas. Kasi mas marami pa daw to. Ayun yung second floor. Ito yung makikita mo. Yan. War crimes. Ayun pa na number 6. War crimes. So, ayun. Next na tayo. Ayun guys. So, nandito na tayo sa second floor. Ayan. Libutin natin yung ano nila. Uy! Yung war something nila. Ito na yung pinaka nakakalungkot guys.
The Requiem exhibit is a tribute to 130 for photojournalists from various nations who died. Documenting the Vietnam War, created by Horst Voss and Tim Page in 1997, it honors those who fell on all sides of the conflict. In 2000, the collection was gifted by the people of Kentucky, USA, to Vietnam as a symbol of peace. It showcases the raw, unfiltered reality of war through the eyes of those who sacrificed their lives to ensure the world saw the human cost of the struggle. Through these photographs, the world gained a deeper understanding of the intense damage caused by chemicals and combat. Requiem serves as a voice for the victims and a reminder to future generations that no one truly wins in a war. It is not just Vietnam's history, but a universal message about the courage of journalists, even today. Every frame on the wall calls for reflection on the peace we enjoy now, while honoring the ultimate sacrifice they made to capture the truth. This gallery remains a powerful testament to the duty of bearing witness. It bridges the gap between past horrors and present healing, urging every visitor to look beyond statistics and see the human faces of tragedy. By preserving these final moments, Requiem ensures that the fallen are never forgotten and that their bravery continues to inspire a global commitment to non-violence. It is a haunting yet essential experience that defines the soul of the entire museum.
Tapos na tayo dun sa loob. At nagawa na natin ang dapat natin gawin. Na-vlog na natin. So dito naman tayo sa may mga kulungan. Kung saan nahuli yung mga ano. So dito tayo. Tignan natin kung ano yung ginagawa nila dito. Sabi niya karumal-dumal daw. Pero copycat lang daw to eh. So ating ginamit din ng jeep. Ayan. Ginamit ng US na nakuha ng Vietnamese. And then papasok ka dito sa loob. Ayan yan. So ito yung
In a dim corner of the museum stands a replica of the tiger cages. Vietnamese prisoners were crammed into these tiny cells with iron bars as ceilings. Guards from above would pour caustic lime powder to burn their skin and lungs. With no room to lie down, they endured starvation and systemic torture. Yet, their spirit remained unbroken. Every scar and cry inside these cages served as a testament to their sacrifice, fueling the fire for a nation's eventual freedom and independence. Those who survived these prisons carried scars that would never truly heal. Their stories serve as a haunting reminder of man's inhumanity to man, yet they also symbolize an unshakable resolve. Every visit to this part of the museum breathes life back into the memory of heroes who endured the darkness. It is a sacred space teaching us that true freedom is often paid for with blood, sweat, and immeasurable sacrifice in the face of absolute injustice and cruelty.
monitor sila. Paano sila pahirapan? Hanggang doon lang ang vlog ko ngayon. So, nakalungkot pero wala eh. Tumaan tayo sa ganun eh. dumaan sa ganong sitwasyon. Lahat naman, kahit naman sa Pilipinas, dumaan din naman sa mga Hapon at sa mga sino pang sumakap sa atin, di ba? So, ayun. Ganito na lang. So, balik tayo sa magandang vlog. So, kayo, pag pumunta kayo dito guys, kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong history, kailangan nyo rin puntahan para alam nyo yung pinagdaanan ng Vietnam. Parang sa atin lang, di ba? So, ayun. So, tara, let's go! Sa pier, tinatawag nila. Yan. So, sasakay na tayo sa Indochina Queen. Yun yung napili ni Mrs. na sakyan natin. So, ayun. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, this is the entrance. And guys, so ito ang harapan. Napakaswerte namin kasi maga kami dumating. So nauna kami. So dito kami guys. Ayan, sa pangalawa lang. So kitang-kita namin lahat mamaya. And then yan. Makikita natin yan guys. Makikita natin yung mga lugar na yan na mailaw. Kasi ngayon is, the time is, ano pa lang, magsi 6 pa lang. Dito tayo galing. Ito yung second floor.
Wow.
Yan, ito makikita mo. Mas tumaas tayo.
Wow.
Makikita natin din yung stars nung ano, yung Vietnam. So, ayan. Lalo na pag nagka-cruise na. So, 9 daw ang tapos ng cruise natin. Ayan. So, wala akong masabi. Ganda. Ayun. So, ayun, maganda siya.
On the Saigon River, cruises range from simple to luxury. Tao Beneng is the most classic and budget-friendly, offering a basic local river experience. Indochina Queen is more lively with buffet dining, music, and group entertainment. Benthan Princess is more elegant, ideal for romantic or special occasions. Saigon Princess is the luxury option with fine dining and premium service. Each cruise offers a different vibe depending on your budget and experience.
Ayan guys, so this is the pool. Wow, sarap. Yummy. Na parang healthy guys kasi puro dahon. Diba? Grabe yung ano nila, oh. Oh, sarap. Fish sauce with garlic and chili. This one, stuffed pancake. Salad ulit. Tapos ito yung nilalagay sa salad. Nice. Ayun. So, ayun lang. Shrimp. Ano to? Lotus salad. Lotus salad with shrimp. And spring rolls. Ayun. Masarap naman ang ating kinain.
Spicy.
Spicy. Super spicy guys.
Spicy.
Chicken. Tatlong shrimp. Isa na to. Hindi ko na ulitin. Hindi ako sanay yung kumain niya. Sili. Spring roll. Ito, sticky rice na perito. Masarap siya guys. Tapos shrimp. Tapos fries. So, syempre, sushi something. Hindi ko pa natitikman. Yan. Pero Masarap naman. Kung kayanin ko yung unlimited, pero parang alanganin. Ayun.
Diyan ha. Nakakaubos.
Ayan guys, so ayun, abangan nyo yun. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!